In this example video, we'll be looking at brief exercise 716 and looking how we can calculate break-even point, but this time in sales dollars rather than units. So again, they give us the same information for the Head First company, that they expect to sell 5,000 bicycle helmets at $75 each with a variable cost of 60% and a sale of the sales price, and a contribution margin is 40% of the sales price. Our total fixed costs equal $49,500. So they want us to calculate the sales revenue that they have to produce in order to break even, and then again check your answer by putting together a contribution margin income statement. So when you're looking at it for sales dollars, we're actually going to be using our ratios. So when we want break-even point in units, our denominator of our calculation is the contribution margin per unit. When we're looking for our break-even point in sales dollars, our denominator of our equation is our contribution margin ratio. So for us, our total fixed cost is at $49,500. And our contribution margin ratio is 40%. So when we do our calculation, it tells us that we need to be able to generate $123,750 in sales revenue in order for us to break even. Notice that they do not tell us in this problem what our per unit variable cost is, but they do give us that variable cost ratio. So that's going to help us put together our total. So we know we need to have $123,750 in sales. We know that 60% of our sales dollars go to covering just our variable costs. So if we take our sales, multiply by that variable cost ratio, it will tell us how much in total variable cost we would have. We subtract the two, gets us our contribution margin of $49,500. We know that our total fixed costs are also at $49,500, which means my operating income would be at 0, which means that we did in fact properly calculate our break-even point in sales dollars.